Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's Warrior Plus income video, I'd like to share with you some proof that some more monthly recurring commissions and multiple income stream commissions have recently come in. So I'm live here in my Warrior Plus account. I'm going to go into transactions, and Warrior Plus gives you all the stats and data. The default here is the last 30 days, so I'll go into my all time. Just click on here on all time, and then it's just loading up now. Three columns we're concerned with here. So you'll see here still live in the account. And the sales now in this column is a total of $17,000, $17,024. And the commissions in the right-hand column are now $8,446 earned. This column over here is really important. I'm going to come to this later on to show you some real proof. 1,925 products is what I've sold. But more importantly in this video, what I want to show you with you and share with you is that these are autopilot buyers traffic offers, and they're a great way to get buyers in front of your offer, because buyer traffic is the best traffic that you can get online, but also to automate it as well. And I'm also going to show you how to get your traffic for free. I'm going to give you the exact funnels that I use to get these results that I'm showing you here today. And there are multiple income streams built into these products. So I'm going to show you some real proof of, on average, 1 in 3 and 1 in 4 are upgrading with these products as well. So if you want to go to the next level, I'll show you how to get a funded traffic proposal as an affiliate. And what that does, that gets you into profit every single month. So what you can do then is you can reinvest some of your profits to buy more traffic and scale up and promote your primary business or your other offers. And it means you're no longer going to be buying traffic from, if you're like me and you've got a full-time job, you're no longer going to have to buy your traffic from your job income, your wages, or even your savings in your bank account. You can buy your traffic from profits. That's the key to success with affiliate marketing is profits. And if you'd like to go to the next level, I'm going to show you how to earn thousands with Warrior Plus. I'm just showing you some proof there. But the income disclaimer is really important, not making any income claims or guarantees in this video. I'm just sharing with you what works for me. I'm going to give you the strategy that I use personally to get these results, so you can use that yourself if you wish to do so. And we've all got an equal opportunity to become a member of these programs and promote them as an affiliate. A couple of important things to note here. This arrow down the right hand side here is where the recurring payments. So these traffic offers, they are memberships. So every member pays a subscription every single month. You've got to be a member to become an affiliate. So I'm a member of each and every one of these. I pay my monthly membership and my subscription. What you'll see down here is you'll see the consistency of month after month that the affiliates are paying. This one here is paying 21 months in a row. Now, when you see these gaps here where there's no circular arrow, that means that new referrals are coming in with the strategy I'm going to show you. So you'll see the consistency of monthly recurring payments: 19 months in a row, 5 months in a row, 10 months in a row, 11 months in a row, a year in a row, new members coming in. So all of these circular payments, circular arrows, this is how you build up. This is how you get into profit 25 months in a row. This is how you get into profit with affiliate marketing. Traffic is an evergreen niche, and everyone always needs more traffic, and thousands of members, thousands of new people are coming online every single month, joining opportunities, and they're looking for traffic. So I always recommend spend a percentage of your promotion as an affiliate promoting traffic. Let me show you the upgrades and how these are converting. So you promote one link, and then this is how you get, when I showed you this number over here, 1,000, I've sold 1,925 products. This is how I've done it. So you promote one link and you earn multiple income streams. So this is Easy Clicks, one of the offers, Easy Clicks autopilot traffic that I promote. Now I'm live in my Gmail account where I get all my notifications for new referrals. And I'm going to take you back and show you the consistency over a year. All the dates are on the right hand side here. Of the upgrades, of how many members in a row are actually upgrading. So that means more commissions for you. Your referrals helps them build a business faster because they can put 3 offers into the Easy Click system. Some members are paying for a year. There's a $41 commission here. So if you look at the blue ones, this is where the white ones are where they haven't upgraded. But when you get a block of 2, 4, when you get a block of 8 here, that means that 4 members in a row have upgraded to triple traffic upgrade. So they can put 3 offers into the Easy Click system. So you've got 2, 4, 6, another 4 members in a row there. You've got 4 there that haven't, another one here that has, one that hasn't in white, 3 in a row have upgraded here. So you'll see the consistency of all the blue and the white. All the blue are the upgrades. Joined here, upgraded here, joined here, upgraded here. Now this is the key. This is the key to succeeding with affiliate marketing, is promoting funnels. You just promote one link, but you're just promoting a funnel with more than one income stream, 3 in a row here. And we're going right back to the 6th month of last year. And we come all the way down here, 3 in a row there, 2 in a row there, 2 in a row there. And that goes right back to a year ago in February last year. So I want to show you that because it's important to show you consistency, not just a fluke, not just one off. Now here's another one that I promote. All the links are in the description if you want to join these and partner with me. I'm going to show you the funnels that I use and I'm going to give you shortly. But this one's got higher ticket commissions built into it. Click Traffic Cyclone. So you'll see here, one-time offer 1, one-time offer 2, one-time offer 3. And now these are $23 commissions. So this is how you build up your Warrior Plus profits. This one here, $30 commission, all from one member that bought 1, 2, and 4. Again, you're promoting one link. You become a member yourself. You get your affiliate link in the members area. This one here, again, the Click Traffic Cyclone averages about 1 in 3, 1 in 4. This one here, so this member here bought 1, 2, 4, and 5. This is a $46 commission and a 30. So this was about $95, $90 in commissions from one member. So all of these products are helping the members build their business faster. They're getting more traffic, they're getting a gold VIP system, and if it's within their budget, then they will upgrade. So let me show you the funnels that I'm going to give you. I'm going to create a funnel for each of these offers that you see in the links in the description. So I've created 2 so far. Probably by early next week I'll have finished all 5. And what I'm going to give you, if you partner with me, are the funnels that I personally use. So this will be the lead capture page that you get. And you just use Lead Sleep. All you do is I'll just show you the share code. Just copy and paste. So if you're a beginner and you want a done-for-you funnel that converts into the commissions and proof that I've just shown you, then this is what I'm going to give you if you partner with me. That video will stay on there, so you don't have to do anything. You're going to get this complete page done for you, and all you do is your prospects put their email into there. I've created the email messages for you as well. So I've done 7 email follow-ups. I only use 7 email follow-ups myself. the rest of the time I broadcast to the list. And I've personally written these myself for you. So they're handwritten, I haven't used AI or anything like that, or Chat GPT. They're all personally handwritten by me. And then all you do is, when they opt in, they will get taken to a welcome email. And then within that welcome email, they're going to get this page where they can join through you. So you're going to earn the commissions. And on this page, I'll be updating my proof video as well. So you're going to get all my proof videos that do the selling and telling for you. Your affiliate link will go into here. They can join Leads Leap. So you'll have to join Leads Leap to use these codes. These share codes here are what you copy and paste into Leads Leap, and this complete page will be yours. All you've got to do is put your affiliate links in here. There's some more income streams there with free traffic. If you join these and any of your referrals upgrade, you can join these for free. And if any of your referrals upgrade, you can earn more income streams. And I've even done the tutorials that show you how to set up this page that I'm on now, so you can have your own page, your own welcome page. And I teach you how to put your affiliate links into here and here, and within these tabs here. It's really beginner friendly. Even if you're brand new, all you do is watch the tutorials. Lead Sleep is a free lifetime membership. All you do is watch the tutorials, follow them step by step, and then you can have this complete done for you funnel that I'm going to give you there. So I got a lot of people asking me what funnels I was using, how I was getting the results. So I'm creating the funnels for my students. So even if you're a member of any of these and you want these funnels, just send me an email. My email will be in the description if you want to get these funnels for free. I'll send you the share codes via email. So this video here is a strategy that I've used to generate the results that I'm showing you here today. It's called How to Get Your Buyer Traffic for Free. So if you watch this video, I teach you step by step, just 3 or 4 simple steps on what to do to earn thousands of dollars with Warrior Plus. And I'm going to pin this page to the first comment below the video you're watching now if you want to watch that video and start promoting these autopilot buyer traffic offers. All the offers are on the page as well. You can even have this page. I've even done the share codes here for this page as well. So if you want to duplicate that page and promote that as well, then you can also do so. So I'm giving you everything you need to become successful with Warrior Plus. The offers to get the traffic, the offers to get into profit, and also the resources, the funnels and the pages, the resources that you can actually, and the strategy here to become successful. This is everything that I do. I don't do anything special. I just promote. I use funnels, and I use these pages and these funnels. That's all I've ever done. And I did get a lot of messages, so I'm sharing my strategies and resources with all my students as well. So if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that, because that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And if you have enjoyed today's video and you want to see some more videos from me on how to make money online, then please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you'll get notified of all my new videos. Got any questions about any of the content in today's video, then please put those in the comments below. My email address is in the description of all my videos. If you want to contact me direct through email and you'd like some help with your affiliate marketing, then just send me an email. The links in the description will give you access to more information and access to my funnels. So if you want those, they are there as well. So thank you very much for taking the time, excuse me, to watch this video today. And I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.